So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to post a image note on Instagram. So let's get started. At first, make sure you have the Instagram app downloaded from Google Play Store or App Store, and also make sure that you have logged into your account. So let's open it. Now this is the home page of your Instagram account, and you should have to tap on message icon which is available on the lower bottom of your screen. So tap on it. Then you will see the option of star and small box which is available on the lower side of your screen. So tap on it. Then you will see a camera like this. Then you can choose the option of close friend or friends you follow back. So I'm tapping on friends you follow back. Then you can even click a photo or video. So I'm clicking my photo. Then tap on go back and again click on it. Now see here which is available on the lower corner of left side, and see this is the picture which I have recently added on my note. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a great day.